Jai Hind to everyone. Dear students, be ready to discuss chapter number 2 from trade to territory. What do you mean by from trade to territory? Students, we are going to discuss how East India Company entered into our country for trade, and after some time this English company became ruler of our country. When we read the first paragraph of this chapter, a simple question rises in our mind that what was the impact of the death of Aurangzeb? In fact, Aurangzeb was the last powerful Mughal ruler, and after his death in 1707, many Mughal governors and big zamindars began asserting their authority and establishing regional kingdoms, so central power became weaker and weaker. Mughal emperors continued to be symbolically important. Students, always remember, British came as a small trading company and they were reluctant to acquire territories. But what happened? They become masters of a vast empire. Let's consider this first topic. East India Company comes east. This is first topic. Students, first note down some key words related to this topic. Acquire. Acquire means to obtain or to get. Second, Royal Charter. Royal Charter means a charter granted by the king or queen, especially in Great Britain. We can say in Hindi, Rajकीय अध्यादेश. Third, sole right. Sole right means no other trading group in England could compete with East India Company. It is also called monopoly. Next, mercantile. Mercantile means trading companies or relating to trade or business activity. Next, fortification. Fortification means in the past time, huge walls had been built to protect a place against any attack. Next, rival. Rival means a person or any group that competing with an other person or group. Through this topic, we find some historical facts. First, English East India Company received a charter from Queen Elizabeth on 31st December 1600, which granted it to the monopoly of Eastern trade. Second, in those days, trading companies made profit by excluding competition so that they could buy cheap and sell at higher prices. A Portuguese sailor, Vasco da Gama, first discovered a sea route to India via the Cape of Good Hope, west coast of Africa, in 1498 and arrived at Calicut in Kerala. You can see figure number 2. And next, the royal charter could not prevent other European powers from eastern markets, so there were intense rival competitions among trading companies during 17th and 18th century to get big profit. Therefore, British company was unable to separate trade from politics. The conflict of trade interest between England and France finally ended with three Anglo-French wars. Students, I have discussed key points from this topic. I hope you have understood. Next topics will be discussed in next parts. Thank you.